They found me!
Hey there, baby.
Hey, sexy lady.
Carl, I really want to go for a drive. I
Hell,
hope
it's
I
your
never
date.
have to live
I'm just
here.
there for fun.
Missed out on the promotion, and now the wife.
Oh, baby, did you hear that bone snap? Carl, hit another one, baby, for me. Necrophilia is too far, even for me.
Keep talking.
Doesn't this thing go any faster?
God!
Do it again, Carl, I like it.
I'm losing patience fast.
Careful! I'm definitely not a boring girlfriend, Carl.
This is so interesting. I'm just gonna listen.
Wow, look at all that blood. Oh, baby, did you hear that bone snap? Come on, CJ, floor it. Carl, hit another one, baby, for me. You should come down to the dojo more often.
Uh-huh, yeah.
Do it again, Carl, I like it.
I can't believe that happened. I'm right behind you,
Self-mutilation fascinates me.
Oh,
Wow, look at all that blood. Oh, baby, did you hear that bone snap?
You didn't think that wrong.
Carl, hit another one, baby, for me. Those Epsilon nut jobs freak me out.
Keep
Trust
talking.
me home in your strong arms, CJ. Hiya.
Hey, honey.
Isn't the Cock a great club?
It's the best.
See you later, handsome.
Bye, beautiful.
Do it again, Carl. I like it. My sensei could teach you some wicked moves.
This is so interesting. I'm just gonna listen.
Wow, look at all that blood. Placas es my name por vida. Oh, baby, did you hear that bone snap?
Head to a 1017 in Central Juniper Hollow. Suspect left from a white Quadbike.
Hey!
I can tell you're crying out for my help.
Dad. Carl, hit another one, baby, for me. I've been a nurse for 3 years now.
Oh, wow.
Get back here! Hey!
Do it again, Carl. I like it. Wow, look at all that blood. OG Low? OG Joke is more like it.
Keep talking.
Shit, that was good.
On a white Quadbike.
Oh, yeah, wow. Hello there.
Hi, I can only sleep on an easy lay bed.
Finally, someone I can agree with.
Have you ever been to San Fierro?
This is very true.
Oh, baby, did you hear that bone snap? Carl, hit another one, baby, for me. I just remembered I have to be home soon.
517 in West Juniper Hollow. Suspect last seen on a red quad bike.
And I thought this date would never end.
I love that Jack Howard.
I really like the taste of multiple women.
Hey, what's up?
Hey, Carl, it's Woozy. Hey, if you got some time, I'd like for you to come over so we can talk about something.
Yeah, for sure. Where you at?
I own a little betting shop in Chinatown. Just come around and introduce yourself. My people will be expecting a visit.
It's a plan, man. Later.
Where can I get some takeout around here?
You always dress as good.
Hey, girl, go moan someplace else.
Please.
Yeah, what?
Sorry, Carl, are you busy?
Zero? Nah, man, good to hear from you. What's up?
Disaster! My landlord is selling the shop. I'll have nowhere to live and no safe haven from Berkeley.
Ah, I'm looking to invest in some property at the moment. Maybe I'll swing by.
I love sexy cartoons.
Look where you're going.
Baby, nice ink work.
This was a clean suit.
Yeah, what?
Yo, man, it's Jethro, dude.
Hey, Jethro, what up?
Well, I was talking to Caesar and, well, don't get me wrong, dude. I mean, you are one out there dude when it comes to driving, man. But Caesar, he told us how many cars you get through, dude. And me and Dwayne were like, whoa!
What is your point, Jethro?
No point, man, no point. Just that there's an advanced driving school, like, just up the road from the garage, man. Like in Doherty.
Driving school? Man, exactly what you trying to say, man?
Nothing, man, nothing. It was Dwayne's idea. I think you're, you know, cool and shit.
This
I
people
better
do
go,
not respect
CJ.
women.
I'll see you later.
I like a man who knows how to dress.
Do me a favor, take your shit somewhere else.
Well, screw you, too.
Hey, Caesar, the Yay leaving San Fierro, right?
Right, but they're using bikes, CJ, and they go cross country.
Not right now. I gotta check into some shit.
Can I get the name of your stylist?
Hey, dude, do me a favor. Shut up.